Welcome to El Salvador. Today, I'm in a nice little market here. I'm gonna try to find some food. I'm gonna try to find somebody to clean my shoes. I stepped in some mud and my shoes got super dirty. But I found like one of the realest markets I've been in here in Santa Ana in El Salvador. This is the bottom of the bottom right here. This right here, I gotta find some pupusas. Oh, they make shoes. I think this is where they clean the shoes. Hola, amigo. Sí, limpieza mis zapatos. ¿Dónde? Ajá.
¿Aquí?
No.
Limpio.
Yeah, limpio.
Ahí sí no tengo líquido ahorita yo.
No, gente es aquí. No tienda aquí.
Tal vez ahí tiene.
Aquí.
En esa área donde está ahí.
Ah, ok.
Ahí pregunte, una limpieza ahí.
Ok, gracias, amigo.
Bye.
Look at this kid just playing barefoot in this little slum. Ooh. Pupusa. Oh, solo tortillas. Ah, wow. Huele bueno. All right, let's keep going. We keep searching. Lustrado. That's how you say clean your shoes. It's tuyos. See? It's like.
Y reparación de calzado.
Oh, it's like.
Suela de reparación de calzado.
Oh, like reparado. Oh. Zapatos, cajas. Ah, muy bien. ¿Cuántos años tú aquí?
Casi 10, 12 años.
22. Oh, 12 años. Wow, I've been here 20 years. Mucho tiempo aquí. You've been here 20 years, 12 years. Ah, mucho gusto, amigo. All right, he's gonna show me where the man is that cleans the shoes. People here are nice. He's taking me right now. Walking through the real El Salvador right here, boy. This is not upper class. This is showing you the bottom of the bottom.
Allá.
En la esquina.
Sí, allá en la esquinita. Allá donde está, ya te voy a decir. Después del carro negro.
Ajá.
Después del carro negro, así. Ahí están.
Ah, ok.
Ahí están alrededor todos.
Ok. Gracias, amigo. Muchas gracias. Mucho gusto. Hasta luego. All right, he told me come down. Where the black car is. He said where the black car is, go in there. They clean the shoes. Well, that little area right there was like the real market right there. That was the real deal market. You wanna be on video? Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Es tu tienda aquí? Ah, muy bien, ropas y bueno. ¿Qué es tu favorito? What's your favorite thing here? Hola, mucho gusto. Mi nombre es Richie. ¿Cuál es tu nombre? ¿Ah? Lorena. Ah, muy bonito nombre. Ah, de nada. ¿Y cuál es tu favorito? What's your favorite? She said her name's Lorena. That's her name, Lorena. What's your favorite? ¿Cuál es tu favorito? Favorito.
¿Cuál es su favorito? Su ropa favorita.
Sí. What's your favorite? Ajá.
Los jeans.
Oh, jeans. Aquí. Oh, okay. She like jeans. Mucho gusto.
Gracias, igual.
Necesita limpio mi zapato. Hasta luego. The people see me filming, they say hello. People here are nice, man. Amazing people here in El Salvador. Oh, I like her tattoo. Anyways, yeah, the people here are nice in El Salvador. And now I'm outside of that little market Dang. Okay, here's the black car. Black car right here. There we go. We found the shoe cleaning man right here. I found the shoe man. He gonna clean my shoe. He gonna clean my shoe. And he charged me a little extra than everybody else said. All right, let's go. Hey. Here's the before. Ooh, looking good. Here's the after. Only one place you get singles from in this country. My shoes look nice. They look brand new, baby. We're back in action. Icy whites out here in the real streets of El Salvador. We got the corn right here. This is where they make the tortillas. This is the corn right here. Buenas, ¿cómo está? Oh, fresco. This is where they make the fresh tortillas right here from scratch. Look at this. Wow. Uno por mí. Yo comer. Uno por mí, yo comer. ¿No? ¿Cuánto cuesta? Ah. They all making the tortillas. Cooking them up. Tortilla factory right here. Bueno, gracias. 15 cents. Ow, it's hot.
Ay. Bien. Te voy a pagar por
Ooh, that's hot.
$2, dijo. Sí, $2.
Ooh, that's hot.
$1 de masa requiere.
That's pretty good.
2 tortillas, tío.
Muy amable. Bueno,
Fresh tortilla, baby. Right here. Ow! This is how they make it. They draining it out. Look, they clean it. Hot. It's that hot. Oh yeah. Hola, amigo.
Qué loquito eres.
Hey.
No piensas.
Oh, es tu comida. Huevos, frijoles, mi amigo. We're here in the factory. We're here in the factory. Look at that. We're in the freaking tortilla factory, bro. Local. Look. This is how they make the tortillas. Look at that. On fire. Oh, look. And this is what it comes out. Right from the source right here. Hey. Ow. Stay hot. Cheers. ¿Qué es aquí? Frijoles. Put that on there. Oh, yeah. That's how we eat. That's what we need right there. ¿Cuál es tu nombre? ¿Cuál es tu nombre? ¿Tu nombre? ¿Cómo se llama? Inman. Oh, let's go. That's my boy right there. He's here. ¿Tu trabajo aquí? La altura. Aquí. Tú. Oh. Do this. And put that in the cocinar. Oh, mucho calor. Ah, sí. Ahora. Oh. Cocinar. So, aquí. cocinar, then aquí. Aquí. Okay, so he cooks it, then they put it here, and here, and then here. Here, here, here. Ah, yeah. So, this is where they cook the corn right here. They cook the corn. Then they wash it. Look. This is like straining it. It goes right here. ¿Qué pasó, amiga? Then it goes here. And then she grinds it up. This is where they grind it up. And then she cooks them. So they got the whole process here. This nice lady. Oh, what's this?
Este es granadilla.
Oh, see? You look good. This is tu restaurante. Tu restaurante aquí. This is her restaurant here. I found this nice lady. She gonna make pollo asado for me. $3.25, baby. Let's go. Look, she cooking up. There's all her pans right there. All right, here's my simple meal. We got some chicken with some juice, tortillas straight from the factory with a lime, baby. That's all you need in life right here. And the water. Gracias. This is the nice lady. She brought me the big jar of hot sauce right here. This is the El Salvador chile. This is what they use. This is how they make in El Salvador. Put some of that on there. Put some of that on there. There are no tourists here. There are no white people, no tourists, nobody but me. I'm the only person here. I'm about to eat this food and enjoy it. Hasta luego, gracias. Brazo. No, mira tú mañana. I'll see you tomorrow. Mañana. Mañana. I'm for. Mañana. Yeah, mañana. She does it mañana. Tomorrow I'll be here. Tomorrow I'll be here. Full. Gracias. ¿Tú cocinas solo? También. Oh, cocinar.
En la noche hay pupusas.
Pupusas. Posible. Aquí.
Pollo, ayote, camarón, jalapeño.
Beria.
Chorizo.
Chorizo pupusa en la noche. ¿Qué tiempo en la noche? ¿Qué hora? 5:30. Okay. 5:30. 5:30 they got pupusas. Okay.
Y en la mañana también.
8:30. Y mañana para cena. ¿O desayuno? Oh, no, yo no comer mucho pupusas. No comer mucho pupusas. No. Oh, muy gordo. I don't eat a lot of pupusas. If I start eating a lot of pupusas, I'll be super fat. Número? Oh, okay. Peace. That's it.